Hey there, little artists. Welcome back to Gibs Brush Art. Today we're going to draw a fun and colourful cartoon bird. Get your brushes and crayons ready and let's dive into it.
Gibs Brush Art.
First, we're going to start with a simple outline. Draw a big round body for our bird, just like this. You can make it as big or small as you like. Wow, look at that. Our bird is starting to take shape. Our bird's almost ready to fly. Let's finish up by adding a cute beak and two little eyes. You can use a bright yellow for the beak and black for the eyes. Next up, let's give our bird some wings. Draw two small curved wings on each side. Now, it's time to bring our bird to life with some colour. Let's use a bright green to colour in its body. Fill it in nice and smoothly, making sure to cover all the spaces. Great! Now, for a pop of colour, let's use yellow to make these wings really stand out. Watch how the green and yellow look so good together. And there we go, we've created a super cute cartoon bird with a green body and yellow wings. You did amazing! Don't forget to share your drawings with us. Thanks for drawing with us today. If you had fun, hit that like button and subscribe to Gibs Brush Art for more fun and easy drawing tutorials. See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye.